Welcome to the Green Golf Villas, luxury pool villa development in the Maenam region of Koh Samui in Thailand. We're located at just 10 minutes from the beach. Let's take a look at their sustainable Balinese style villa. Let's now take a look at their show villa, a 320 square meter, 3-bedroom configuration. As you can see, all the open space you need for perfect living synergy. Let's start with this left side where we have our first bedroom, of course with en-suite bathroom. Now follow me around your little green garden, focusing of course around the swimming pool. Here on the left flank we have the media room of the master wing. So it can either be configured as a study or media room, theatre room. And follow me down here. We have a walk-in closet and an en-suite bathroom. And of course, your bedroom with windows giving directly access to your terrace. And right opposite your bathroom, if you open these sliding doors, you have a nice wooden deck overlooking this beautiful creek in the middle of nature. Take a look at this angle of the house. As you can see, we have the left wing, the right wing, and the far side wing. Of course, in between all your buildings, you have your gorgeous swimming pool, and here is your private sala where you can hide in the shade and enjoy your swimming pool as well. And let's take a look at this wing of the house. Let's now take a look at the main living quarters. So as you can see, huge sliding doors that you can open all the way to give you this open space, airy feel of just living in harmony in between your living space, your kitchen, your swimming pool. Here we have the kitchen area with a big open kitchen and a big island. Moving on to your dining area right here, and your spacious living room with 3.5 meter ceilings. Let's now take a look at the third and final bedroom right behind the living room. As you can see, here is the corner bedroom with doors opening, and there will be another wooden deck built around this corner. So you can just walk out again like in the other bedroom and lay down on your deck and enjoy the gorgeous nature. And behind your kitchen we have a pantry room as well as a powder room, an individual toilet, and also a laundry room hidden behind here. If you're interested in purchasing a new property in Thailand, whether it's in Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya, Hua Hin, Koh Samui, Krabi or Koh Phangan, make sure to contact us. Thank you.